fire! Skylander. Oh, and I want, if FGTV watches this video, I want you to say, do you have the Skylander, and do you have its card? Oh, and I got something to show. Oh, I can just, so the back, got a sticker, some stuff, battle card. Oh, and you could stop to read it if you want. And if you want to look at it again, here. And this is the Skylander wheels. The stuff, how I got it, is from McDonald's. And tell me if you got this. So, it's kind of a little video vlog. And really not much. Casaboo, Cash. Sleeping on my blanket. And this is really all for today. Oh, and I have to show you one more thing. Got these mountains, desert, snow biome, and the caves. And what else can I show you? Oh, if I probably already showed you this, but yeah, really nothing. Oh, I remember this. Two brothers right there and there. That's my brother. Okay, here, I'll show you who's my brother. He's my brother, and he's my brother, and that's me. Really nothing to, like, see in my house, except this. When I ever try doing stuff, it does, I'm just